Your art is stiff. I'm gonna tell you how you can change that. Do you often find your character poses looking stiff? Let me know down in the comments below if you draw stiff poses. Dynamic line. The dynamic line is an imaginary line that runs through the center of your character to one of your legs. What you want to do is get that line to curve as much as possible. If the line is straight, well, I'm sorry, but your character is gonna be stiff. So next time you draw, make sure the dynamic line curves. Foreshortening. This is a technique used to make an object produce an illusion of projection. Basically making a certain part face you, the artist, in a drawing. Next time you draw, implement this and see how it changes things. Now this final step will make the biggest change to your character, making your drawing asymmetrical. A straight stance destroys how dynamic a pose can be. Applying asymmetry by tilting the shoulders and the hips of your characters will significantly impact your drawing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. Also, if you have any questions about dynamic poses, leave them down in the comment section below. See y'all in the next one.